All right, we're back with the 2027 Ram TRX, and we're gonna take this on this Baja off-road course. We've got two jumps, a 45-mile-an-hour jump, and then a full throttle jump coming out of this corner. This will jump about 100 feet. We've got us in our Baja settings. Traction is off. We've got our suspension in Baja, stability in Baja, paddle shifters are on, and steering's in sport, transmissions in Baja. Tune is on the right seat. He's gonna be kind of instructing and guiding me through the course. We already did a sighting lap. Let's head out there for our first lap. We'll take it a little bit easier, and then we'll see how we feel with the truck, see if we're comfortable and everything, and ramp it up from there. All right. Good to go?
Red track is hot on the track.
Nice little slide in Baja mode here over some whoops. We got to get to 45 up here.
Maintain speed.
Great.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Perfect. Yep.
So at full droop, the suspension is going to max stiffness so it can anticipate that landing.
If you're comfortable, go wide open throttle.
ABS calibration feels great off-road.
Keep it wide open until you land.
Got it.
Okay, hit the brakes now.
Mid-air, it'll disconnect the transfer case. Full ABS there, nice. Take these whoops a little bit easier. Handles them really well though.
All right, set up the jump for 45 again. Just steady speed is good.
Got it. Nice.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Nice little trail braking in.
Nice. Late apex is pretty good here though, you know. There you go.
Truck feels fantastic off-road. A little bit of ABS ice mode there, but we got that banked corner.
Wide open throttle. Hammer down.
Awesome.
There you go.
Fantastic.
All right, let's do a cool down lap.
Cool. Thank you. That was fantastic.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job building the course. You guys designed this really well.
Yeah.
I was impressed with the rotation. This being full-time four-wheel drive, sometimes you know you get both that traction, but also that ability to kind of adjust the character of the car mid-corner and on throttle, off throttle. It seemed to rotate nicely going into a corner. It handled great.
I was trying to explain it during my speech this morning that, you know, even though it's in four-wheel drive all the time, we tune it in a way that it helps you instead of hinders you. Because you need the four-wheel drive traction when you're exiting the turn.
Of course, yeah.
You can be switching to two-wheel drive will give you a really nice tail-heavy, you know, drifting style.
Sure.
It looks cool, but you don't get the traction when you want it, right?
Is there a different torque split?
Oh yeah.
When you're in Baja mode?
Changing. Baja mode sets it at 25 front and 75 rear.
Oh, that feels great.
Yeah, but once your like steering wheel is straight and your hammer down, it knows to put more power to the front. It's not just it's not like a fixed torque split. It's constantly looking at steering wheel angle, looking at your throttle position, looking at the yaw sensor in the truck.
Okay.
You know,
What's happening when you go off of a jump at full throttle? You hit max droop. What's the truck doing?
The truck is taking the transmission and keeping it in the same gear as you're taking off, so you don't actually upshift and land in a different gear. Okay, and it's cutting the engine power for you, so that when you land, you're not spiking the torque.
Okay, yeah, I felt kind of a little bit of a rev limiter as soon as I took off.
Exactly. And then the transfer case is opening the clutch up so that the front wheels, if the front wheels do land first, they're not shocking the driveline.
Okay.
So yeah, so does that make sense?
That makes sense, absolutely.
The transfer
that's great.
case opens, the transmission holds gears.
A little bit of self-preservation going on there.
Yeah, and I think we're the only one that does that to encourage our customers to keep the throttle open. Because if once you land, you want the power to keep going. You don't want, and then the power on helps you keep the attitude of the truck up to nose up attitude.
Yep.
You know, if you like hit the brakes in the air or something, you just get kind of like a motorcycle. You're gonna like
that's right. You can adjust the
Or if you just like lift off as you're jumping, you're just gonna nosedive. You know, right? So. Yep.
Well, thank you so much. That was fantastic. Appreciate it. Yeah. TRX looks proper with a bit of dirt on it too. Oh, yes. All right, Tedward, have fun. See you, bud.
Like you hated it.
Yeah, it's a good time. We got the POV crew here.
All right.
Yeah, all my
ready.
POV disciples.
Yes.
I've gathered you here today to jump trucks off of jumps.
That's what we get to do today, Master. Yes.
Yeah.
Good things. Yes.
Okay, this is a new drug. This is we've done race cars. Nope. That's like one of the coolest things I've ever done in a car.
I'm ready.
I don't even want to watch the video because it'll never live up to how terrified I was holding that throttle.
Good stuff.
Dude, and I had this like falling over my face, so I'm like, I have no idea what this footage looks like.
Could you see?
Barely. I had to adjust as I got there, but
Okay.
we're gonna find out what the footage
Yeah,
looks
because
like.
that's a pretty low mount.
Yeah.
I guess I could have tweaked it a little bit, but
No,
that's all right.
I tried to get it, but then I was just like, whatever, it didn't matter.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't need to see, I'm just gonna feel the dirt. Holy dude, what the f.
Yeah, it's good stuff. Super fun.